salamat po sa suporta. We made it. Yay!
Thank you so much guys for your support. We really appreciate. Sara, salute you. We made it. Much love and God bless. What's up guys, and welcome to our Skim channel. It's been a long journey guys. We are back monetized.
Thank you Ate Sara, Ate Mariam, Jubilin, Dinalin. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. We made it. Yay!
Thank you so much guys for your support. We really appreciate. Sara, salute you. We made it. Thank you so much. For those who are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we upload news. It's been a minute since we've been demonetized guys, and we are back fully monetized, fully forced guys, and we like to thank everybody who supports us through this journey.
Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. We made it. Salamat po Ate Sara.
Thanks to Ginalyn,
yeah.
Sara, Christine, there's who else? Mariam Sham. Thanks you guys. Thank you so much guys for
and
the
Jubilin.
assistant. Jubilin.
Yeah.
Jubilin. Shout out to Jubilin. Thank you so much guys for your assistance. We made it.
Yes.
Finally, after a very short time. Thank you so much guys for your support. Much love and God bless. Bye. See you in the next one guys. Love you so much.